Hey everybody, it's Bryan with Abound Web Design here with an exciting update for you. Squarespace has finally released a feature that I've been waiting on for a long time, and that is account saved sections. So, just like the saved sections that we've had for a while now, where you can build a section out on your website and then save it and then reuse it on other pages on your website without having to rebuild the thing, and then you may not have it exactly the same, maybe you do, but if you don't, you only have to make minor tweaks. You don't have to rebuild the entire thing. Now that is being brought to your entire account for circle members. So again, this is only for circle members, but if you're not a circle member, I'll put some information in the description of this video that will help you to be able to become a circle member. It's really not all that difficult. Just check out that information in the video description. But for now, let's head over to my screen and I'm going to show you exactly how this works. Okay, so for the purposes of this video, we're going to start off over here on my website for my business, Abound Web Design. And we're going to save a section here to my account, and then we're going to take it over to my demo website and put it in there and let you see how this works. So we're going to keep it simple here. I'm going to go into edit mode here on the Abound Web Design website here, and right here in this hero section on the home page, we're going to click the heart to save the section, and then it asks you, do you want to save the section to the site or do you want to save it to your account? All right, so we're going to select our account, and then it asks us to name the section. And so I would say on this one, I would say Abound Web Design, and we'll call it a hero section because that's what this is, the hero section of the homepage. And we will save it and then exit. And then we're going to go, I'm going to move myself out of the way here. We're going to go back to my account dashboard and then head over to, let's type this in here. We'll go demo. We'll go to our demo website. All right, so we're here on my demo website, and we're going to just go into edit mode, and then we'll add this below the hero section. Just we got to add it somewhere just for the purposes of demonstrating what we're doing here, but we'll just add it below this first section, this hero section of this website. So we're going to click add section, then we'll go over to save sections, and then these are the ones that are saved just for this site, but then you have your saved sections for your account. And so you just double click on that. And this has actually been kind of glitchy, and what I've found is that you can click save and then exit, and then let's see if it's there. There it is. It's actually come up. And so it's come up a couple times. So all we'd have to do in that case, obviously, is just we can go to one of them, click remove, and there you have it. So as you can see, not all the bugs are worked out in this. It doesn't appear. I guess it could be something in my cache for in Google Chrome or something, but with this being as new as it is, I would guess that they probably just hadn't got all the kinks worked out just yet. If you found this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials like this one. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.